If you have been living under a rock, Rushawn Patterson, also known as Chisel, was accused in the murder of social media influencer Anika Slikiana Townsend in November 2022. Slikiana's body was found floating in the sea near Reading, St. James on October 21st, 2022. A post-mortem examination revealed that she had been strangled. Investigations revealed that Anika Townsend traveled from Kingston to Montego Bay October 20th, 2022. That's where she met up with Rushawn. The two of them went to a restaurant in Hanover before going to a guest house in St. James. Reports suggest that Rushawn and Anika got into an argument, and it resulted in him strangling her and disposing of her body. Rushawn Patterson was denied bail many times. His first bail application was rejected on March 21st, 2023 by High Court Justice Andrea Thomas. Another attempt to secure bail was denied on October 4th, 2023. However, somewhere in September 2024, after being in custody for 2 years, he was granted bail. Nobody did know that? Here I get funny. Ever since Rushawn got arrested, the case just has been delayed and delayed and delayed. In 2024, the trial was repeatedly postponed. The case had an October hearing, which was delayed due to an outstanding DNA report. The case was then pushed back further to March 19, 2025. In January 2025, the proceedings faced another setback when the St. James Circuit Court halted the trial to allow Rushawn to receive medical attention. Later that month, the court postponed the trial again, setting a new date for October 15, 2025 due to incomplete files. Now, February 2025, while out on bail, he was in an altercation with police and was murdered.